Welcome back, Maths fans. This is Maths Watch Clip 180, iterative processes. Been asked to do a couple of questions. One of them is question 7, and it's the one that you can see written down here. I don't think part A is too bad actually, but a sequence is defined by using this term-to-term rule. If U1 is 15, find U2. Well, we should know that this iterative formula, I should say, this one here, plus 19. Okay, we know that if that was a 2, n plus 1 must be more than n, and it's one more, so that's equal to the square root of 2 times, so that must be u1 plus 19. If we carry on writing that now, we get, sorry, I'm writing it out there, u2 equals square root of 2 times u1 plus 19. If we put in u1 now, which was given as 15, we get the square root of 2 times 15 plus 19, which is the square root of 49, which is equal to 7. So that's the first part. Second part, a little bit more difficult. B. Another sequence now is defined by un plus 1 is equal to k un plus r. And it tells us k and r are constants, that means they're fixed value. U1 is 43 and U2 is 179. So U2, if we put in U2, we'd say that's U2 is equal to K times U1 plus R. And now filling in what we know, U2 is 179, so 179 must be equal to K, which we don't know, times U1, which was given as 43, plus R. Okay, so just simplifying that a little, 179 is equal to 143k plus R. So that's the U2 situation sorted out. I'll underline that one there. Then it's given a second condition, U3 is 723. So how would U3 be written? Well, again, using this iterative formula here, if that's a 3, that must be a 2. So we've got U3 equals k times u2 plus r, which is equal to, I'll take it on the second line here, u3, I'll replace u3 with what it's been given as, which is 723, equals k times u2, and u2 was given as 179, plus r. So again, making this a little bit more simplified, 723 equals 179k plus r. So look what we've got here now. We've got two equations, two unknowns. So hopefully recognise these as simultaneous equations, and they're linear simultaneous equations. And also you might notice they've both got an r in them. So the simplest thing is no multiplication needed here. I can just subtract one equation from the other to solve this. So to solve this, I'm going to do 2 minus 1. So 2, subtract 1, 723 minus 179, which is 544. 179k minus 143k gives me 136k, and r minus r is 0. So straight away I can now find k. If I divide both sides by 136, I think I get k is equal to 4. Ooh, I read that wrong. And with all simultaneous equations, to find the other unknown, we substitute back into one of the equations. So I'm going to substitute back into number 1. So sub in 1. I'm going to get 179 equals 143 times 4 plus r. And so that's 143 times 4 gives me 572 plus r, 179 equals 572 plus r. So r, if I subtract both sides now 172 by 572, I get r is equal to negative 393. 3. And that's what it's asked for.